Well, let's start here. A new witness in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial will take the stand today at the High Court in Pretoria. Sergeant Batho Mogola, who was involved in the arrest of accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, on the 30th of May 2020, will today give testimony on the accused's arrest and detention amid allegations of torture and assault. Sibiya, who was alleged that he was subjected to torture by the police who arrested him, allegedly confessed in relation to Meyiwa's murder a few hours following his arrest. SABC News reporter Sipho, Kekana, and video journalist Kwazi Manzi are covering the story. Let's cross to them live now. Sipho, a good morning to you. Still within this trial, within a trial, a lot of the focus still being on the lead up to the various confessions that we heard from the accused, right?
That's correct, Naledi. So today we are expecting that details surrounding the arrest of accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, are going to be laid bare when Sergeant Batho Mogola takes to the stand to give testimony on the arrest that she effected on the 30th of May in Tembisa when Muzi Sibiya was arrested. We understand that he was arrested on that particular afternoon by Sergeant Mogola, and a few hours later Sibiya then confessed in relation to Senzo Meyiwa's murder. You recall that when he was arrested on that afternoon, he was arrested for a drug-related charge. However, a few hours later, when he made that confession, it was in relation to Meyiwa's murder. The following day, we understand that Muzi Mukhani's car was then used to transport him to Palm Ridge, where he was expected to identify a traditional healer in Palm Ridge. A few days later, and this is now on the 5th of June, he was also transported to the crime scene of Senzo Meyiwa's murder at Kelukumalo's home in Vosloorus, as well as the Basutung hostel, where previously we've been told that all the 5 accused were seen on the day that Meyiwa was killed. So Sergeant Mogola today, this is the lady that was heavily involved in the investigations relating to Senzo Meyiwa's murder. She worked very closely with the lead investigator, that is Brigadier Gininda, as well as Sergeant Muzi Mukhani, whose testimony we've heard last week in court. She worked closely with these 2 gentlemen, and she will be taking the stand today just to give more details surrounding the arrest and the detention of this particular accused. And you recall, Naledi, this is just on the back of the allegations of torture and assault that the court has had. Despite the fact that he confessed to this particular murder in Diepkloof on that very same day that he was arrested, we've heard through his defense counsel that he too was subjected to a lot of torture, a lot of assault, and we've heard that the confession statement that he later signed on that day was brought to him already typed up by the police. It was an already prepared confession statement which the defense have put to court, that all the accused had to do amid the torture. All the accused that had to do on those particular days was to append their signatures on there. So more details on that and that detention, all the movements when he was booked out of the holding cells to various places. We are expecting to hear more on all of those when Sergeant Batho Mogola takes to the stand this morning.
Thank you so much for that, and of course we'll be keeping you updated on things as they unfold. The trial within a trial at the High Court in Pretoria there, that's in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Our reporter Sipho, Kekana, keeping a close eye on things for us.